The family walks are held every month, and I've been bringing the family along for the last 6 months.
Family walks are important to me because I like to get the children together and meeting each other.
I think these family days out are great because there's a lot of people who don't realise all this is on their doorstep.
We are so lucky in Cardiff that we can sort of just drive for 3/4 of an hour and we're here, and we can access these lovely hills.
Welcome to Cardiff Ramblers. A short walk today up to the biggest hill in the south of Wales, Pennyvan. Not necessarily. I've been walking since 1951, and I spent a lot of time just wandering the hills on my own. I thought, well, it's been probably nice to have company, so I moved to Cardiff, joined a group, and I met some absolutely fantastic friends, and I just tend to treat it a bit like an extended family. It's lovely to see such a variety of ages out. I mean, we had them from 3-year-old right up to my daughter at 19. That's just great.
Sometimes it's good when you get to the top. It's like you've achieved it. You've got to the top and you know you can get there and stuff, so sometimes it feels good. I like the jumping off the stones and the walk and getting to the top. I like climbing.
I wouldn't be in playing computer games. I just find it more fun outside.
To go up the mountain into the mist where they can't see. What an experience. Wonderful for them. And the delight on their faces when they come down, they've done it. Can't be much better things to do. Got Pennyvan on a Sunday morning, can there? I've been walking all my life. I used to come up here with my parents because I lived locally and they used to bring me up here. It's the exercise, putting one foot in front of the other, and purely just using the whole of your body to exercise. But then, of course, it's being in the fresh air and the change of scenery and the beauty of the hills.
I think once the seed's sown, it does stay for life. Even if they only do it on the periphery, when they get children, they will come back to it and teach their children to do the same thing.